Hello class, good morning. How are you? I hope you were very well at your home and studied a lot of more books which is related to your syllabus. Student, today we will discuss about chapter the ghost ship. The ghost ship, unit 7 section B. The chapter name is the ghost ships means एक भूतिया जहाज. First, we will discuss about a short conclusion related this chapter. There were no signs of foul play or bad weather. Then, why did the crew of Mary Celeste and Carol A. Daring leave their respective ships? Where did they end up? Were they eaten by sharks or sucked into an alien spaceship? How come not a single person survived or managed to escape? Were there no eyewitness? Why did not the captain or crew send out SOS signals? Here is the word SOS. SOS means save our soul. बड़े बड़े शिप्स में एक सिग्नल लगे होते हैं जाते ही if anyone fell in any difficulties then he signal SOS, then he use signal SOS. तो इस SOS सिग्नल का यूज करता है save our soul means हमें बचाओ. तो कहता there were no signs of foul play or bad weather. जो शिप थी अच्छी चल रही थी. The weather was very clear. Then why did the crew of Mary Celeste and Carol daring leave their respective ships? फिर ये दोनों अपने शिप को छोड़ के क्यों चले जाते हैं? Where did they end up? Why were they eaten by sharks or sucked into an alien spaceship? या तो उस शिप को एलियन ने खा गया, ले गई, या किसी मछली बड़ी शार्क मछली ने उसको खा गया. How come not a single person survived or managed to escape? Not a single person escaped or to manage to escape himself. अपने आप कोई बचा भी नहीं पाता है, कोई जिंदा भी नहीं बचता. Where there no eyewitness, कोई ऐसा नहीं था जो उस स्टोरी से रिलेटेड चीजों को बता सके. Why did not the captain or crew send out SOS signal? तो क्वेश्चन इज है कि why the captain or any crew of member, any crew of the ship does not take or does not give the signals SOS. किसी ने कोई सहायता क्यों लोगों से नहीं मांगी. So now read and enjoy. Launched in 1860, the ship known as the Amazon earned the reputation of being a cursed ship. The vessel was involved in many accidents and went through a dozen different owners. No owner caused the ship for very long, since ill luck soon followed around 1870. After the first 10 years of misfortune, the ship was sent to New York, where it underwent extensive repairs and was finally renamed Mary Celeste. Launched in 1860, the ship known as the Amazon earned a reputation of being a cursed ship. इस शिप का एक नाम हो गया, that means cursed ship, एक भूतिया जहाज, एक शापित जहाज जिससे कोई बैड इंसिडेंट हुई. The vessel was involved in many accidents and went through a dozen different owners. इससे बहुत सारी इंसिडेंट्स भी शिप से हुई. मीन्स शिप रिलेटेड मेनी एक्सीडेंट्स एंड वेंट थ्रू ए डोजन डिफरेंट owners. और कई लोगों के पास शिप को गई. मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं एक बाइक चला रहा हूँ, उस बाइक का एक्सीडेंट हो, मैं उसको बेच देता हूँ, उसको उससे होता, वो फिर थर्ड को बेचता, फिर फोर्थ को, ऐसे इस तरह से दी मेनी एक्सीडेंट्स इन्वॉल्व द वेसल वाज. नो ओनर कॉज द शिप फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग. कोई भी ओनर अपने पास उसको बहुत लंबे समय तक नहीं रख सकता. Since ill luck soon followed around 1870. About 1870, after the first 10 years of misfortune, the ship was sent to New York. इस 10 वर्ष के बाद उसको रिमार्क दिया जाता शिप को, वेयर इट अंडरवेंट एक्सटेंसिव रिपेयर्स एंड वाज फाइनली रीनेम्ड मैरी सेलेस्ट, और उसका एक नया नामकरण किया जाता है, मीन्स मैरी सेलेस्ट। मैरी सेलेस्ट, it is the name of a ship. It's the name of a ship, Mary Celeste. After misfortune of 10 years, it renamed Mary Celeste. On 7 November 1872, Mary Celeste was bound for Geneva, Italy, and had a cargo of 1700 barrels of alcohol. All seemed well upon departure from Liverpool, but the captain Benjamin Briggs, along with his wife, daughter, 7 or 8 crew members, and other passengers were never seen or heard from again. Means 7 November 1872, Mary Celeste was bound for Geneva. इस शिप को जिनेवा जाने के लिए तैयार किया गया। Italy and had cargo of 17 barrels of alcohol. Barrels meaning B-A-R-R-E-L. Barrels means container. Barrel means what? Container. Barrel of alcohol, उसमें अल्कोहल रखे हुए थे। All seem well upon departure from Newark, जब न्यूयॉर्क से वो डिपार्ट करती है, all is well. But the captain of Benjamin Briggs, along with his wife, daughter, 7 or 8 crew members of the ship, and other passengers were never seen or heard from again. Means captain, his wife, 7 or 8 crew members of the ship, and some other passengers were never seen or heard from again. उनको ना तो कभी दोबारा देखा गया, ना उनके बारे में कुछ सुना गया। They are disappeared mysteriously, but the ship did not did the cargo. ना तो वो पैसेंजर्स मिले और ना वो कार्गो, सब disappeared हो गए। The ship was found a month later on the sea. एक मंथ के बाद, महीनों के बाद, the ship was found derelict by the De Gratia ship. By the De Gratia, उसको neglect करता, derelict means neglected. The captain of the De Gratia knew Captain Briggs and was bewildered. वो Captain Briggs को जानते थे, Captain Briggs who sailed the Mary Celeste. Briggs and was bewildered. He was confused. He could not comprehend what he saw. और अपने आप को समझ नहीं पाया हम देख क्या रहे हैं। And it was very strange. Captain Briggs was a fine and experienced captain. कहता वो तो बहुत फाइन थे, अच्छे थे। He was very good person, good captain and experienced captain. And it was very strange to learn that the ship seemed to have been abandoned by the captain and crew. और दिखने से ऐसा लगता है इस शिप को कैप्टन और उसके क्रू मीन्स द मेंबर ऑफ शिप, सबने इसको जान के छोड़ के चले गए। The ship was not in bad condition. Ship was in good condition, not in bad condition. And there were no sign of attack. और ऐसा भी नहीं था कि उस पर कोई अटैक का साइन था, ये कोई बम, बारूद, गोले, बंदूक, गोली ऐसे कुछ उस पर यूज की गई हो। The navigation tools were still on board. जो नेविगेशन उस पर लगे होते थे, जो डायरेक्शंस देते थे, वो सब भी उसी के थे। And so were the barrels, और वो डब्बे, वो barrels, containers were already at the ship. The ship was still seaworthy. अभी भी वो seaworthy थी. The ship was now seaworthy. The investigators moved further and found the galley was not in a welcome condition. Galley means ship. Was not in welcome condition. Ship means ship kitchen. Ship kitchen was not in welcome condition. वो उसकी स्थिति ठीक नहीं थी. There was some water between the decks and the kitchen was total mess. There was also a rope hanging from the side. Ship के साइड से एक rope hanging कर रही थी. ट्रेलिंग इन द वाटर, और पानी में ऐसे ऐसे वो ट्रेल करती तैरती। इट अपीयर दैट समबडी ऑन बोर्ड लेफ्ट इन हरी, और दिखने से ऐसा लगता कोई जल्दी में था, उस रोप के हेल्प से वो निकल गए जल्दी। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड दैट क्रॉप इन देयर माइंड्स was bad weather responsible for this? क्या इसके लिए bad weather responsible था? पहला क्वेश्चन ये होता है। It was clear that it could not be, और यह पाया गया कि ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं था। As Lake Gratia had not experienced any bad weather during its time in the area. इस एरिया में उस समय ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था, यानी मौसम weather was very good, very good. Moreover, Captain Briggs was an excellent sailor, and he would not have caused his family and crew to take the risk of abandoning the ship when it was in good condition. Or I suppose that the ship was in good condition, so his family and crew don't take the risk of abandoning the ship. इस जहाज को छोड़ने का रिस्क नहीं लेते, पर है कुछ तो उनके साथ हुआ। So the students, rest of this passage I will explain you tomorrow. So whole story is that एक ship है, there was a ship who was found on ship after months, महीनों बाद उस ship को पाया जाता है। And when the ship was found, that it repaired very well and renamed Mary Celeste. It renamed Mary Celeste के नाम से जहाज को तैयार किया गया, और जब लोगों ने उसको देखा तो जो वहाँ का कैप्टन था ब्रिग्स, वो कहा I know very well captain and his family. He cannot take any risk when the ship was in good condition. जब कंडीशन में हो शिप तो वो उसको छोड़ के जाने की रिस्क नहीं ले सकते। पर है इट हैड एक्सीडेंट, कोई घटना घटी जिससे सारे लोग मीन्स द कैप्टन एंड हिज वाइफ एंड फ्यू क्रू मेंबर्स ऑफ द शिप एंड अदर पैसेंजर वेर नॉट अलाइव आर नॉट सीन आफ्टर दैट। उसके बाद ना उन लोगों को देखा गया और ना वो लोग जीवित बचे, ऐसा लोगों का मानना था। तो जहाज जिसके सामने वो शिप आती थी तो लोग उसको देख के डरते थे, उसको द घोस्ट शिप के नाम से लोग जानने लगे। सो द स्टूडेंट रीड दिस पैसेज केयरफुली एंड ट्राई टू find out some difficult words such like balance, Gary, merciless, SOS especially. Thank you.